Electric vehicles are replacing conventional fuel engine vehicles rapidly, and it is because of the various benefits that electric vehicles offer. The daily congestion charge price of £15 is waived for drivers, so they won't have to pay that. When charging an electric vehicle at home, it will cost the driver between £10 and £15 to completely charge the vehicle, and the vehicle will offer them between 250 and 280 miles of driving range. Taking into account electric vehicles, PCO drivers are qualified to undertake green jobs with Uber, and Uber only takes a commission of 15% of the driver's earnings. Therefore, it will increase driver income in the long term. You get better reviews from passengers, little engine noise, and wonderful driving. PCO drivers should consider switching to electric vehicles in large part for the purpose of protecting the environment. If you're looking to hire a PCO electric car, then G&M Direct Hire is here for you. We provide electric cars on rent to PCO drivers. Visit gmdirecthire.co.uk.